Is your oral care important to you? Looking for superior results? Waterpik Complete Care combines brushing and flossing in one device so you can take control. Simply follow these steps. Fill reservoir with warm water and place firmly on the base. Select a tip that's right for you. Click firmly into handle. If this is your first use, you will need to prime the pump. 1. Set the pressure control to high. 2. Point the tip into the sink. 3. Turn on until water flows. 4. Turn unit off. Now let's get on to water flossing. Start with the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn power and water on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute a day. The Waterpik water flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is up to 50% more effective than string floss. Don't forget to brush. The Waterpik Complete Care series has a variety of premium toothbrush options. The toothbrush features a rechargeable battery that conveniently charges in the base of the unit. Brushing for 2 minutes twice a day is recommended. The Complete Care toothbrush has a 2-minute timer that pauses briefly every 30 seconds, so you know when to move to the next section of your mouth. You can have healthier gums and brighter teeth with Waterpik Complete Care, brushing and flossing in one device.